Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to talk to you about making dial-up downloading faster on your computer. There's a few things that you can do that are not settings-wise or software-wise or hardware on your computer, and that is to use the internet at off-peak times. Now this will be kind of in the middle of the day when people who would normally be at home on the internet might be at work. This will be sort of late at night. Your peak time for internet use is going to be between 5 o'clock p.m. and maybe 9 o'clock p.m. If you get on the internet after that, you're going to be sort of off the curve as far as the number of people you're competing with for your download speeds. So you'll get a faster speed that way. Also, you can disable call waiting on your phone line if you don't like being interrupted while you're online. But I'm going to show you a few things on the computer that you can do to speed it up as well. Now, one suggestion I have is to use the Firefox web browser as opposed to Internet Explorer. And the reason I say that is that Firefox will allow you to pause downloads while they're in progress. Rather than clicking cancel on a large download or something like that, you can actually, within Firefox, begin downloading a file and then pause it, close your browser, and open it later. Just go to Tools and then Downloads. And as you can see, I've got a large file, 600 megabytes or 700, downloading right now, and it's paused. If I press Start, it will start that download again right where it left off and continue. I can pause it again, close my browser, disconnect, and pick it up tomorrow night if I'd like. Now another tip is to use a program called Download Accelerator. If you just search Google for Download Accelerator, you'll find a lot of programs out there that are called download managers or accelerators. Now you have to be careful using these because a lot of programs will disguise themselves as download accelerators when they're really spyware or something like that, virus. So make sure that you have good virus and spyware protection on your computer. But these programs will make multiple connections to websites and download files in parts, which allows them to download them faster. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to make dial-up downloading faster.